features Divya herself.
She's extremely beautiful and equally talented on screen as she's off screen. And it's a pleasure to be with one of the most good-looking, young and talented directors of today's times. Divya Kumar.
Thank you,
Welcome to
Karan.
Insta Live.
Thanks. Yeah.
It's a pleasure having you here, and the trailer of Sanam Re looks amazing, full of passion, full of love. How did the idea of the film come to you?
Sanam Re is a pure love story, and generally बहुत rom-coms बनती हैं, but love stories इतनी नहीं बनती, and I'm very inspired from Yash Chopra ji, जिन्होंने इतनी iconic love stories बनाई, and even Sanjay Leela Bhansali, and so I have made a small effort to make this beautiful tale of love, and it talks about soulmates, or is it all predestined, and how अपने soulmate के साथ हम कैसे अपना प्यार और deep बनाते हैं. So film answers lots of questions about love. So that's it.
एक खूबसूरत लड़की ने मुझसे कहा था कि हम कितने दिन जिए ये जरूरी नहीं, हम उन दिनों में कितना जिए ये जरूरी है.
The locations look really exotic, and I wish we could go to a holiday, there. But how tough was it shooting in those, temperatures and the locations?
As an Indian filmmaker, I feel it's my responsibility. मैंने यारिया में भी बहुत कोशिश की, सनम रे के थ्रू भी मैंने बहुत कोशिश की कि ऐसी locations audience को दिखाऊं जो कि इंडिया की ऐसी जगहें दिखाऊं जो कि never seen before हैं. And India's got such magical hidden gems. So I found this location Kalpa, and it's like 10 hours from Shimla. We went there during the snow. Last year December we went, and it's looking spectacular in the film, and also Ladakh.
So the casting, coming to the casting, like, did you have the cast in mind already, or you had a casting director who could help you with the other cast?
There was no casting director. Pulkit was my first choice for the film, and when I called him to my office, I told him, Pulkit, I'm casting you because I see a certain sadness in your eyes. So वो इस बात को अभी तक he jokes कि she casted me because she said कि मुझे तुम्हारी आंखों में कुछ उदासी दिखती है.
नहीं शादी हुई होगी तब.
Oh my God.
शादी के बाद सबकी कुछ देर बाद sadness ही होती है. Was it after the marriage?
Yeah, maybe. I don't think so. No, it wasn't actually.
गज़ब का है ये दिन, गज़ब का है ये दिन, गज़ब का है ये दिन, देखो ज़रा.
कुछ गलियां कुछ घर यादों की तरह होते हैं, हम एक पल में ही अपने पास ले आते हैं.
ऋषि जी का एक स्पेशल अपीयरेंस है पिक्चर में, और बहुत ही आउटस्टैंडिंग इन द फिल्म, एंड when I told my husband Bhushan that I want to cast him, so he went and spoke to him that she wants to cast you in the role of a grandfather. So he said कि 99% मैं ये picture नहीं करूँगा because I don't want to play a grandfather. And then he said, but still, because of my love for you both, I'll come and I'll hear it from her. So he came from his house in Bandra to my office, and he sat in my room, and for half an hour I narrated him his character and the story, and after half an hour he walks out to his room and he says, I'm doing this film. So that was like a big achievement for me because I could convince a superstar like Rishi Kapoor.
तू पता कैसे चलेगा कि मुझे उससे प्यार हो गया है?
जब तू उसके घर के सामने से गुजरेगा ना, तो तेरा दिल जोर जोर से धड़केगा.
500.
When do we get to see Bhushan Kumar ji on screen?
I think you should ask him. I think he is very shy in front of the media, so I don't know the answer to that question.
Okay. Yeah. And as I was telling you earlier also, so Ayush told me that he is very fond of Ruhan, and he's told me a secret that Ruhan sings really well.
Really?
Yeah, he's told me that. He said I keep on playing with him whenever he comes to Bombay.
He's 4 actually, and you won't believe it, but जब मैं यारियां shoot कर रही थी, he was 1, and his first words were not mama and papa but action and cut, because all the time he was seeing his mom on the set saying action cut, action cut. Yeah.
Action.
The film is an out-and-out love story.
Yeah.
Now, your viewers, viewers and your fans want to know what was your love story. When did you meet Bhushan ji, and how did it happen?
So I met him when I was doing Ab Tumhare Hawale Watan Sathiyo. I met him at my director's house, and that was the first time. And then, of course, he kept hounding me with lots of messages and all of that. And like that the love story happened.
So was it love at first sight or it was gradual?
Maybe I think gradual, yeah, but very quick, yeah.
सनम रे तू मेरा सनम हुआ रे करम रे तेरा मुझ पे करम हुआ रे.
For the first time that director is having a dance track in the film, हमने पी रखी, and it's
जी.
amazing, like a proper music video album, you know, with all the glamour.
Yeah. I acted in a film, Ab Tumhare Hawale Watan Sathiyo, with Akshay Kumar years back, and since then the media has been hounding me ki when do we see you on screen, and my audience and fan mails and everybody has been like after me in every question, every interview of mine, this question would be put up. So I thought, let me like put a full stop to this question and let me do the song myself, and it's a dance number in the film. And that's the only dance song. And of course, I've been like a fitness freak. I've been working out since 16 years, so that helped, you know. And my body is looking very fit, so I'm getting a lot of compliment on my abs. So I think that I'm very happy about it, because if you work hard and put effort, then if it
shows.
Yeah, it shows and people praise you, then of course you're happy.
Yariyan was a big hit. So what are your expectations from Sanam Leela?
I think an even bigger hit.
तू जिंदगी भर उसके साथ रहेगा, लेकिन तुझे वो मिलेगी नहीं कभी.
प्यार वो सफ़र है जो मीलों में नहीं,